Hello, Mom and Sir. Good day. My name is Christy Spanola Blancia, 32 years old, born on December 25, 1992, from Bagumbayan, Lawaan, Antique. I'm graduated in University of Antique, UATLMC, way back in 2022 with a degree of Bachelor of Science and Entrepreneurship. My height is 160 centimeter and my weight is 62 kilogram. I'm a single mother with one daughter. She is now 1 year and 10 months old. My mother's name is Literia Spanola Blancia. She is a housewife. And my father's name is Abusto Lucis Blancia. He is a farmer. Latest employment of being a housemaid here in the Philippines is in Quezon City with 3 years of a service in six members of the family way back to 2017 to 2019. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of their children, a 3 years old boy and a 5 years old girl. I also do cleaning of house, cooking Filipino food, car washing, washing cloth, and ironing. My previous experience of being housemaid here in the Philippines is in Sampaloc, Manila, with five members of the family with 4 years in a service way back to 2012 to 2016. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of a 1 year and 4 months old baby girl. I also do cleaning of house, car washing, washing cloth, cooking, and ironing. My hobbies are singing, dancing, and cooking. My qualities are respectful, kind, loyal, understanding, resilient, and most especially a God fearing person. So please give me a chance to become your nanny, and I prove to you that I deserve that position. God bless po. Thank you. Hope to see you soon.